Have you ever stopped and wondered about the magic and science behind your everyday cosmetics? How does your shampoo create that satisfying lather? Or why does your moisturizer feel so incredibly smooth? Well, it's all about the chosen ingredients, those special raw materials that are real MVPs behind your favorite beauty products. We start with the most basic raw materials. Certain classes of raw ingredients have specialized properties that infuse cosmetics with their inherent effects. These are the building blocks, the essence of most cosmetic products. Everything you use to wash, wax, polish, or paint will contain at least one of these ingredient classes, if not a combination of them. First off, let's talk about surfactants. These are your soaps and foaming agents, the dirt fighters. They're the reason your shampoo lathers up so well, breaking down oils and grime for an easy rinse off. Then we have emulsifiers. Without them, our skincare products wouldn't feel nearly as smooth. Emulsifiers are the peacekeepers that blend oil and water-based ingredients, which usually don't mix well. They're why your creams and lotions have such a velvety, uniform texture. Now on to preservatives. Think of these as the guardians of your cosmetics. They keep your products from going bad and protect them from harmful microbial growth. With preservatives, your beauty products stay safe and effective for longer. Then Rheology modifiers. These are all about the look and feel. Rheology modifiers are thickeners that influence the physical appearance and texture of a product. They affect how a product spreads across the skin. Additives, unlike the others, this isn't a specific class of ingredients, but it's an important term for you to keep in mind. Additive simply refers to any additional ingredient that improve the efficacy of or impart any desirable trait to a cosmetic product. This is a broad term for any extra ingredients that boost a product's effectiveness or add a certain je ne sais quoi, like a specific scent or hue. These essential raw materials, surfactants, emulsifiers, preservatives, and rheology modifiers, are the foundation of cosmetic formulation. Brace yourself for a few technical terms, but don't worry, they're not too complicated. Let's start with shampoo. It's a blend of surfactants, actives, and more, working to clean and condition your hair. Lotions mix water, emulsifiers, emollients, and preservatives for the perfect, smooth feel on your skin. Most cosmetics share key ingredients: water, emulsifiers, preservatives, thickeners, and emollients. Emollients, like shea butter, soften and smooth your skin, locking in moisture. Solvents, like ultra-pure water or proline glycol, dissolve other ingredients, creating the perfect consistency. Today, we've just scratched the surface of cosmetic formulation. As you advance in this course, you'll dive deeper into this fantastic world. Understanding how each of these essential raw materials, such as surfactants, emulsifiers, preservatives, and rheology modifiers, work together is the foundation of all cosmetic formulations. So the next time you're using your favorite cosmetic product, take a moment to appreciate the science and craftsmanship behind it. There's a whole world of ingenious ingredients working in harmony to make your beauty experience just right. We'll be exploring each of these ingredients in more detail soon, but for now, just know that they're what make your cosmetics so special.